some people yelling down here, so I'm gonna get my car closer.
Oh my God. Oh, bro, God. It's going right over my friend's town right now.
All right, guys, so we're gonna go up to, it just looks like it's going through Lewiston.
Lewistown right now.
Lewistown. They checked all the way back that way, by the way.
Okay, Lewistown's where my friend lives. This sucks.
Okay. Yeah. Wow. Good. Looks like everyone's okay here, though. Thank goodness.
Does.
Yeah. Thank
it
goodness.
Does. Did he get my message?
Jeez, man. The thing wasn't very wide, but it was definitely powerful. There's a couple houses completely.
Did you see the roof? Yeah,
gone?
the roof right here just completely gone. Oh, he did not get my message. Oh. All right, I'm glad everyone seems to be fine.
Yeah, so we'll move up. We'll move up one town.
Yep.
Goodness gracious. There's a fire truck. Okay, good. First responders are here.
Doesn't look like it was powerful, but it doesn't look like
yeah, I mean
it didn't look like any houses took like a direct hit.
There was one back that way that was completely gone. But I heard them talking. I don't think anyone lived in it.
Oh, okay, good.
What's the name of this town?
Table Grove. This is Table Grove.
Right.
We make our way to Ipava and then Lewistown.
Can you navigate me there?
Yeah, I'll just stick it in my GPS. Ipava.
Should be right here and then just keep on forward.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Hopefully it missed Ipava. This thing's still going, man.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be dangerous, not good.
That's what we were talking about.